Today's question is, how can bakers prevent foodborne illness and ensure safe practices? Food safety is essential in every kitchen, especially in bread and pastry production. Proper hygiene and handling practices not only ensure the quality of your baked goods, but also help prevent foodborne illnesses. In this video, we'll explore the key guidelines and best practices every baker should know to keep their kitchen clean, safe, and efficient. Let us now discuss the guidelines to prevent foodborne illness. Number 1. Never work with food if you are feeling sick or have a communicable disease. This is non-negotiable for everyone's safety. Number 2. Take a bath or shower daily and always wear clean uniforms and an apron. Number 3. Keep your hair neat and clean. Tie it back or wear a hairnet. Number 4. For those with facial hair, keep your mustaches and beards trimmed and clean. Number 5. Remove all jewelry before working and make sure your fingernails are clean and trimmed. Number 6. Always wash your hands and exposed arms thoroughly before starting work and whenever needed, especially after sneezing or coughing. Lastly, if you have any injuries or open sores, cover them with a bandage to prevent contamination. Now, let's move on to food handling and preparation tips. Always start with clean, wholesome food from trusted suppliers. Handle food as little as possible to prevent contamination. Sanitize cutting surfaces and equipment after handling raw ingredients before moving to another task. Practice kaigo, or clean as you go. A clean workspace is a safe workspace. Wash all raw fruits and vegetables thoroughly before use. Follow the FIFO method, first in, first out, to ensure ingredients are fresh. Always keep food covered to prevent exposure to contaminants. Follow the 4-hour rule. Avoid leaving perishable food at room temperature for too long. Cool food to the proper minimum safe internal temperatures before storage. Taste food safely using the 2-step method. Take a small sample with clean utensils and discard it after testing. Never mix leftovers with fresh food to maintain quality and safety. Finally, cool and chill food quickly and correctly to avoid bacterial growth. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to keep your kitchen safe and your baked goods delicious. Remember, hygiene and safety are just as important as the recipe itself.